Great tips about how to make money online that anyone can use. Making money online is very profitable for many people. All it takes is a bit of research and planning. You can find several places and ideas that will help you make money. This video is a great place to start. Continue watching to find out some ideas that are working for others. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways that you can make money online in your spare time. This type of marketing means that you will sell other people's stuff and get paid a commission when you do. There are all types of items that you can sell depending on your style. Before you set your heart on making money online, set your household up. Making sure you are free from interruptions can be a very important part of your success. Children, spouses and other people can cut you off at the most inconvenient times. Make sure your time is your own, so you can maximize earnings. Try doing some surveys online. You will not make as much money as you would with some other types of online work. These surveys usually do not take long, and they usually just ask for your opinion. If you join a legitimate survey site, those cents can quickly add up to some extra cash. Google ways to make money online. You will surely get a lot of results and options. When you come across a company that is of interest to you, make sure to check out the reviews with regard to the organization. Always be wary, and you won't get scammed. As stated above, there are lots of ways to increase your online income. Use these suggestions to help you get started. You will be amazed at how quickly the money can add up. Come back to this page and others like it to continue growing your online work portfolio as you go. Student loan.